Hello kids, how are you all today? I hope you all are doing great. So how was your day today kids? Okay, that's wonderful. So what was the motivation behind, behind starting the day today? To do lot more exercises? Beautiful, that is so good. Even I love doing exercises. You know why? Because it keeps my body healthy, fit and strong. I think you should also try to do exercises regularly as I have told you. Yes? So, what is up with you all today? Okay, so did you all eat? Did you all had a good breakfast today? Yes? Wow, that's great. So, what all did you had in your breakfast in the morning? Okay, that's great. You know, it's very good to eat fruits. A whole, a good bowl of fruits. It's very good to have it in the morning. And I'm glad that you all are doing it. You all are having it. That's wonderful. Wow, that's great. I can see some of you are writing that you had grapes. Ah, okay. So grapes. Do you all like eating grapes? Your favorite fruit. Okay, tell me your favorite fruit. Papaya, lovely. You know, papaya contains a lot of fiber and it is very good for the body. That's great. Banana. Wow, I also love bananas. Having a banana in a day keeps your, helps you to digest the food very easily, very quickly, and it also soothes your mind. So it is very good to have banana, and it gives you instant energy. All the fruits gives you very instant energy and also fills up your stomach. So always carry fruit for a long run wherever you will go. Whenever you go for a picnic or any sort of outing, always carry fruits because they are cheaper, and second, they fill up your stomach and they contain a lot more nutrition value and very good for the body. Moreover, having juicy fruits in the summers also gives you lot of water, and it is a good water intake as well. So yes, this was a very informative, informative message for you all, and I hope you will definitely follow it, as you have never disappointed me, and you will not disappoint me. I know that. So always have a good and healthy breakfast, and always do not prefer to eat chips in the breaks or in the while traveling. Try to have fruits. You should do this replacement for, just try to do it for a week. Okay, try to replace your chips, the packet of chips, from the bunch of bananas. Okay, just try to replace these two and you will feel the difference definitely. So I'm going to start with the warm up, and I can see a lot of excitement from you all, and I'm very happy to see this, that you all are so excited and so happy, so much energy. And yeah, that's very good. So we'll just keep up the energy and boost my energy also, and I'm gonna play the song. We're gonna start with the workout. All right, go 5 6 and 5 6 7 start. Go. Up. Head down. Head up. Head down. Head up. Head down. Head up. Go right. Left. Go right. Left. Go right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Change. Head rotation. Other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Go right. Left, right, left, head up, and up, head up, head down, shoulder, 2, 3, go, just the shoulders now, 5, 6, good, 7, 8, forward, shoulders, forward, now use the knee, 1, 2, 3, 4, rotate, 3, 4, 5, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, hip rotation, 1, 2, 3, 4, other side, 1, 2, go. 3,
ਚਾਂਜਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਸ਼ੋਰ
4,
ਜੇ ਕਰਦੀ
1
ਤੋੜ
and
ਤੇਰੀ
2.
ਮੋਹਰਾਂ
Other
ਵਰਗੀ
side. 1,
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ
2,
ਤੜਪਾਵੇਂ
3,
ਤੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ
4.
ਜੇ
Down.
ਕਰਦੀ ਚਾਂਜਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਜੇ ਕਰਦੀ
Right.
ਤੋੜ ਤੇਰੀ
Left.
ਮੋਹਰਾਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ
Right. Left.
ਤੜਪਾਵੇਂ ਤੂੰ ਇਗਨੋਰ ਜੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਚਿਹਰੇ ਥੋੜੇ ਨੇ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ
Right.
ਛੱਡਿਆ
Left.
ਪੱਲੇ
Right. Left.
ਹੈਗਾ ਕੋਈ ਬॉयਫ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਜਾਂ
Up. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7.
ਬਣ ਕੇ
Alright. So now we just shake your hands.
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲਿਆ
Rotation 1.
ਕੋਈ ਬॉयਫ੍ਰੈਂਡ ਜਾਂ
Opposite side. 2, 1,
ਬਣ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
2,
ਬਟਰਫਲਾਈ
3,
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੂੰ
4,
ਚੱਲਿਆ
5,
ਕੋਈ
6,
boyfriend ਜਾਂ
and 7. Change.
Sharing
Sit.
access.
And up. All right. So this was your warm up. I hope you all liked it. Are you all warmed? Yes? Shout and tell me. Yes? That's great. So are you all feeling better or you're feeling the same as you have started the class? Feeling much better with more energy, more confidence, warmed? That's great. All right. So now I'm gonna, we'll just take a quick sip of water break. Okay, because we have to do the routine with lots of energy, and water is very good for for your hydration, to keep yourself hydrated. Water is very much necessary, and even in winters you should have lots of water. You should not skip your daily amount of water, because that won't be good. And yes, and you all can tell me the properties of water, like what are the benefits, not properties, what are the benefits of water. I mean, what happens when you drink water? Okay, tell me. It is not a question. I mean, it is just a general talk session with you all. So just tell me what happens when what good happens, or what are the benefits when you drink water. What benefits do you get, or what you feel? You can tell your personal experiences as well. Nothing to be copied and you need to answer. You just need to tell me that what all do you actually feel. Okay, feel what you tell me what you feel. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's a very good point. Okay, so one of our dear friend is saying that water builds up your stamina. That is also good. I mean, that is a very good point. Water actually does that. And what else? Okay, very good. So another dear friend of ours is telling us that it gives us a good stamina. Strength, you mean? That's great. Okay. Very good. Our little girl is saying that it helps our body to give a lot of energy. That's great. Okay, so we all know it, right? That water is a very essential source of energy and hydration and a lot of things, and it is necessary to have water on a regular basis, and water on a regular basis plus the correct amount to be intaken by everyone. And this is a very good conversation, because in this you will get to learn. Okay, you are getting to learn that what are the good habits that you should follow in your daily routine. First is to have water regularly, and a good amount of water in a day. Second, you should do a lot of workout to keep your body flexible and to build up your stamina. And third, what we have discussed right now is to have good food. Yeah, right? Like how I've told you that you should not have a packet of chips. Rather than having a packet of chips that consist of carbohydrate, fats, and different oils, it is good to have fruits, banana and other papaya and other fruits, because that contains fiber and it also helps you to give you quick energy. All right. So these are the 4 good points that we have discussed today, and I hope you will remember it. And yes, everyone is nodding the head. Very good. And the nodding won't help. You need to actually follow. Nodding is good, but I want you all to actually follow this in your particular routine. All right. So these are the 4 main steps, that is the most important things that you should follow in a day, and you should always do that, because this, if you will eat healthy, you will live long. You will live a long and healthy life. Okay, so good habits should be should be taken care of. You should always be particular about the good habits that I've taught you. We'll take a quick break for 3 to 4 seconds, and then we'll start with the routine. All right, so you can drink water while standing as well, but just remember that do not talk or do not move here and there while having water. Just stay intact, stay tall, and take few sips and just stay relaxed. All right, we won't talk while drinking water, and even after drinking water we'll take a few seconds break to just relax, breathe and calm down. Then we'll join in and we'll start with the session. I can see everybody is very much excited today, and that's good that you all are smiling. Keep up the smile till the end. All right, just have few sips of water. All right, so okay, so I had my water. I can see everyone else is drinking, so you can take your time and just chill. I'll count till 5, and then we'll start with it's a 5 seconds break, and then we'll start with our routine session. All right, tie up your shoes, tie up your laces. We have 5 seconds. Come on, 5, smile, 4 and 3, 2, smile, more, and here you go, 1. All right, so I'm gonna play the routine song. I want you all to shout, scream, show me that happiness. All right, yeah, don't feel dull. We had such a great warm-up. Why to feel dull? Come on, just chill. Okay, so I'm gonna play the music and we're gonna start with the routine. All right, 5, 6 and 5, 6, 7, start, go. One of the favorite song, right, of girls, I should say, or boys, both. Great. Just listen to the song and just groove, just move on the song. Yeah. All right, stop. So everybody knows the song. All right, so and it is the one of the famous song of 2020s, right? It was the song got released on 2020, one of the best and the most popular remake, I must say. And we gonna dance it today, dance on this particular song. And this is a very beautiful song, and I hope you will definitely enjoy it. So let's keep up the smile, and I'll teach you on counts first. Okay, so what you're gonna do, 5, 6, 7, go. Just take your right hand on the right side. Okay, take your right hand on the left side. So you'll go 1 / 2, other side. So you go 1, hit, 2, and turn, 2, clap, and turn, 2, clap. So what we did, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 2, clap, and turn, 2, clap. All right, I'm playing the music. Start. We're just gonna do these 2 steps. 5, smile, 5, good. 5, 6, 7, go. Stop. So we're gonna do it first. We're gonna take a turn and clap. Then again we're gonna take a turn this way and then clap. All right, one more time. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. First this and then clap. 5, 6, 5, 6, go. Stop. Next, what you will do, just stand and wave this way. All right, so you will wave from the left side. Take your hand up, go wave, 2 and down. You just need to cut and cut. Okay, but with the ease, with the flow. Okay, so you'll go 1, 2, 3, other side, 1, 2, 3. Boys can also do. There is no need to laugh. Okay, you have to do it with the full spirit and energy. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, other side, 2, 2, 3, 4. I'm playing the music. Start. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, go. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, start. Stop. Alright, So next, what you're gonna do? Up, up. Jazz hands. Right hand, jazz hand on the right side. Then left side. Right and left. Just swing. Right and left. Okay. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. I'm gonna play the music. We're gonna start it. Come on. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. Start. Smile. I cannot see the smile. You just smile. Come on. Go. Turn.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं.
Okay. So what we did? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then what you have to do? 5, 6. Turn here and 7, 8. Okay. Just shake your head. 5, 6. Shake your head. 7, 8. All right. So what we did? Turn, turn, clap, and turn, turn, clap. Side, 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 side. Then jazz hands twice. You take a turn here. Just go, go, shake, shake, right, and just 1, 2, left side. All right. I'm gonna play the music. Start. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Go. And 5, 6, 7, go. Clap. Clap.
आसमां में जैसे बादल
4 times.
हो रहे हैं.
Change.
धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Okay. Stop. We'll do it once more with the music. Everybody do it with the energy. Come on, let's do it. 5, 6, come on. 5, 6, 7. Rub your hands. Start. Rub your hands, and go. Start. Ta, ta, ta.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं. हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Stop. Next, what you have to do? Next, you have to do just roll, 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 and roll, roll, and roll, roll. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right. So once more with the music, and you're gonna do the step that I've added. Okay. Do it along. Come on. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7. Start. Smile. Go. Clap. Clap.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं. हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Go. Same.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं.
4 times.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं. मैं तो मर जाना है. होना जो मिलने
Alright, good. So you're gonna stop. You're gonna repeat the same what we did. Okay, the step again from from this way. Okay, from the jazz hands part. So why you are repeating it? Because it has to come in a flow. Okay, so this is how you have to make a choreo. Okay, I'm even telling you how to choreograph a song. So this is what it is about, that you need to repeat the step. Okay, repeat a chunk. Okay, we call it a chunk. What do we call it? We call it a chunk. All right. So we're gonna start it. We're gonna start from the beginning, and let's do it with the music. All right. Then I'm gonna add. Smile. Come on. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. Start.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं.
Smile.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Go. Start.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे
4
हैं.
times. Go.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Start.
मैं तो मर जाना है. होना जो मिलने
Again.
मैं
with the song from the beginning. Start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7. Start. Smile. Smile.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
4 times.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Slow.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Start.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Stop.
मैं तो मर जाना।
Great. Everybody is aware of this now? Aware of this particular step? Alright, I'm gonna add, okay? So next, 5, 6, 7, go. You need to cross. Cross, open, okay? Simply this way. Come on. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, open. Okay? So what you did, cross, open. You need to look at your feet, okay? Cross, look at your feet, cross, look at your feet, okay? So after finishing this, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, just cross and out and cross and out, okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6 on counts. 5, 6, 7, go. Turn, clap, and turn, clap. Shake, zigzag, and zigzag. Jazz hands in, jazz hands in, jazz hands in, jazz hands in. Turn and move. Turn and move. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, and 2, 2. Then we'll repeat the same thing, and after that, cross, open. Okay? Come on, let's do it with the music now. 5, 6, come on, shout. 5, 6, 7, go. Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। मैं तो मर जाना है,
Stop.
वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Okay, so what we did, cross, look, and cross, look, okay? Hands has to go this way. Like, you'll cross and you look, and you cross and you're gonna look, okay? Look on your, look to your feet, and then what you'll do, just cross and look, and cross and look, okay? Then cross again, and take a turn. Simple, okay? Cross, open, take a turn, alright? And then just a hip movement to the right and left, twice, alright? So I'm going to play the music. You need to add this step and do. Come on, 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, start. Smile. We did this, cross, open, right, left, okay? Twist, smile, full energy, go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Cross.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Change.
सांसें मेरी हैं उनके
Okay, stop.
हाथों में।
Okay, so what we did, 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, what you have to do, go on your right, do this way, okay? Keep your hand here on the head. Come on, let's do it once on the right and then on the left, okay? So what we did, right and left, then out and in, okay? And 1 and 2, alright? Then what you have to go, what you have to do, just take your right hand out and in and in. Just move your left hand on your right hand, up and 2. You just have to do it twice. Okay. So what we did, 1 2, then 1 2, then 1 2, then 1 and 2. Okay. Let's do it from the beginning till here. Start 5 6 and 5 6 7. Start with a smile. Come on. You need to smile more. Show me your teeth. Count it. Start.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
No.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। मैं
Cross.
तो मर जाना है,
Cross.
वो ना जो मिलने आए। सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में।
Change.
याद पिया की, मेरे पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में।
Stop. Okay, stop. What we did after this 1 2 3 4, you need to take your hand up. Just twist 1 2 3. Twist this way. Take your hands up and you need to twist 1 2 and 3 4. Okay. Come on, let's do it from the beginning. Start 5 6 and smile, and 5 6 and 5 6 7. Start. Just groove. Groove. Start.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Go.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Start. Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Start.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Okay.
मैं तो
So
मर
next,
जाना
cross,
है,
out.
वो ना जो
Cross and out. Okay. We're gonna do it slowly. Then cross your legs and turn. All right. Once more with the song. Come on. Once more with the music. 5 6 5 6 7. Start. Groove. Smile.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Start.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
आसमां में जैसे
Smile.
बादल हो रहे हैं,
Go.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Start.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने
Cross.
आए। मैं तो मर जाना
Cross.
है,
Turn.
वो ना जो मिलने
Okay.
आए।
Now,
सांसें
next.
मेरी हैं उनके
1
हाथों में।
2
याद पिया
3. Okay.
मेरे पिया
Out.
की आने
Out.
लगी,
Stop.
हाय भीगी भीगी रात।
So what we did right now, after this cross, cross, cross and cross, turn to, open to, right, left. Then what you're going to do, 1, out, 2, out, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more time. 5 6 7 and 5 6 7 with the music. Start. Five, 6, 5 6 7. Go. Other side. 1
आसमां में जैसे
2
बादल हो
3
रहे हैं,
4. Go.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Change. Other side.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Cross.
मैं तो मर जाना है,
Cross. Turn.
वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Twist.
सांसें मेरी हैं उनके
Hand.
हाथों में।
Change.
याद
Change.
पिया की,
Out.
मेरे पिया की
Look.
आने लगी,
Twist
हाय
and
भीगी
twist.
भीगी
1 2
रातों में।
3 4. Stop. So what we did? After this, you take your hand out. You just do twist and twist. Okay. Then you take your hand out and again twist. All right. One more time with the music. Start 5, 6, 7 and 5, 6, 7. Go. Enjoy the music. Yes. Clap. Clap.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Start.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Go.
आसमां में जैसे
5.
बादल हो रहे हैं,
Yes.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Cross.
मैं तो मर जाना है,
Cross.
वो ना जो मिलने आए.
Twist.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए.
Change.
सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में, याद
Change.
पिया की,
Twist.
मेरे पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Next. Again cross and change. Twist. Go.
याद पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Smile. Again. Start. Once more from the beginning till here. Come on. So, just stop the music. So, I've added 2 steps and they are similar. Okay. You again do right, again left. Same thing 1, same thing 2. And then twist, twist, then out, twist, twist. Then you cross, you open, cross, you open. And then the song is done. Alright. Once more with the music, we'll do it thrice non-stop. Come on, show me your moves, show me a smile, give me the power, energy, and do it full on. Let's start. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, go. Come on. Smile. Yeah. Clap. Clap. Clap.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Start.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Go. Rotate your arms. Great.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Start.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Start.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए.
Cross.
मैं तो मर जाना है,
Open.
वो ना जो मिलने आए.
Twist.
सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में,
Go.
याद पिया की,
Twist.
मेरे पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Change. Change. Go. Again. Twist. Twist.
याद पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में.
Twist. 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 Just rotate. One more time.
बिना क्या हाल है,
Last time. Come on, let's do it. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7, start. One last time, then we're going to do the fun session. Come on. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, start.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो
Smile.
रहे हैं,
Go.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Go.
आसमां में जैसे
Smile.
बादल हो रहे हैं,
Go.
हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं.
Did you all like the choreography? You liked it? Alright, that's wonderful. So we're going to do it one more time, and I'm going to add 2-3 steps more, and then we will do our fun session. Alright, we'll do the fun session. I'm going to play the music. Let's do it. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start. Groove. Turn. Clap. Clap. Twist. Go.
आसमां में जैसे
Smile.
बादल हो रहे हैं,
Change.
धीरे धीरे धीरे
Twist.
पागल हो रहे हैं।
Roll. Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Twist.
धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Twist.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने
Roll.
आए। मैं तो मर
Open.
जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए। सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में।
Go.
याद पिया की, मेरे पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में।
Twist. Turn. Turn.
ओ याद पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में।
Twist. Change. Change. Twist. Twist. Next.
तेरे
One.
बिना क्या हाल है, अपना क्या
Two.
तुमको बतलाए रे।
Then.
चूड़ियां मेरी रोए, मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए
Stop.
रे।
So, I've added 2 steps. You go right, left, twist, 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 twist. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay? So, I'm going to play the music, and you have to do this step, and you have to add this step in the choreography. Come on, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start. Smile. Go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं,
Go.
धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Twist. Go. Yes, do it. This one.
हो रहे हैं,
Start.
धीरे धीरे
I am watching you.
पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
मैं तो मर
Rotation.
जाना है,
Yes.
वो ना जो मिलने आए। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Cross.
सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में।
Go right.
पिया की,
Twist.
मेरे
Yes.
पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में।
Twist. Good.
ओ
Again,
याद
change.
पिया की आने लगी, हाय भीगी
Hands open.
भीगी
Good. You're doing it very well. Yes. Change. Twist. Twist. Good. Twist. Twist. Then
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है, अपना क्या तुमको बतलाए रे।
Change.
चूड़ियां मेरी रोए, मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे।
good. Okay, next. Roll down, roll down. Just one step. Okay, one step. Right, left. Okay. One more time from the beginning. Start. We'll do it till here. This and this. One more time. Start. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Music. Smile. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Go. Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं।
Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं, हम धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं। मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Smile.
मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए।
Twist.
सांसें मेरी हैं उनके हाथों में।
and turn and side, side, side. Go.
याद पिया की आने लगी हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में
Twist. Change.
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना क्या तुमको बतलाएं
Other side.
चूड़ियां मेरी रोए मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे
Next.
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना क्या तुमको बतलाएं रे
Change.
चूड़ियां मेरी रोए मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे
Stop.
बिन तेरे सब सजा
So this was your routine, and one more time, one last time we're going to perform on it together till here, till the last step, and then we'll start with the fun session. 1, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, go. One last time with a smile, big smile on your faces. Start. Go. 2 and 5, 6, 7, go. Turn, clap. Turn, clap. Go side. 1. Smile more. 2. Break.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो
3
रहे
and
हैं
4. Go.
धीरे धीरे धीरे
पागल हो रहे हैं. This way. Left side. Right. Smile. Yeah. One more time. Go.
आसमां में जैसे बादल हो रहे हैं
Side.
धीरे धीरे धीरे
Twist.
बादल हो रहे हैं
Go.
मैं तो मर जाना है वो ना जो मिलने आए
Cross.
मैं तो मर जाना है
Cross.
वो ना जो मिलने आए
Twist.
सांसें मेरी हैं
Change.
हाथों में
Go.
याद पिया की
Change.
पिया की आने लगी हाय भीगी भीगी
Cross.
रातों में
Smile. Turn. Twist. Change.
याद पिया की आने लगी हाय भीगी भीगी रातों में
Twist. Turn. Cross. Twist. And turn. Go.
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना क्या तुमको बतलाए रे चूड़ियां मेरी रोए मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे
Okay. Next.
तेरे बिना क्या हाल है अपना क्या तुमको बतलाए रे चूड़ियां मेरी रोए मेरी चुनरी रोई जाए रे
Change.
बिन तेरे सब सजा
Stop.
बिन
All right.
कहाँ
So this was a beautiful, beautiful choreography, and we're gonna take a water break, and let's take 2-3 seconds of water break. How are you all feeling right now? Feeling warm, relaxed? I've done lots of work, right? Have water, relax your body. So, how was the choreography, everyone? It was great. You all liked it. You all liked performing on it. You actually liked it? Come on, shout and answer me. Yes, right? Yeah, lovely. Even I loved performing on this song. Like, I loved teaching on this song, and it was a fabulous one. So now, let's just see. Yeah. So, who did it better, girls or boys? Okay, everyone is shouting. I cannot hear anything. You need to tell me. Yeah. Who did it well, girls or boys? Boys did it. But it is a girl song, is it so? Okay, yeah, it's a fusion. Alright. So, yes, the girls did it well. Alright. Beautiful. According to the girls did it well, and according to the boys, they did it well. According to me, you all did it well. You all were good, nice. You just need to focus on two, three steps or 2-3 things, and that is that you need to remember the choreography, and as I've told you earlier, that even if you do not remember it, do not stop in the middle. That looks very bad and very unprofessional. Okay, so you should not stop while performing in between. You should always carry on with the steps and the choreography so that it looks nice. And secondly, always smile no matter what. Even if you forget, you should smile, and so I'll count till 5 and keep your water bottles down. We're gonna start with the fun dance session. And keep on practicing, keep on doing it. And we already had our water break. So if you feel like having water again, you can have it. Okay, just sit while you're drinking water and you just have water and listen to me what I'm saying. Okay, have water and listen to me what I'm saying. Always remember one thing: after finishing the class, do not go and watch TV or play. Start playing. Always remember that as soon as you finish the class, start rehearsing, start revising, okay, the previous stuff that we have done, because this is how you will remember the choreography and it will be in your muscle memory, so that anytime the song is going to play, you're gonna remember the steps. Okay, it will click your mind and you will definitely gonna remember the step. So I hope you will definitely enjoy it and you will definitely like it. Please do the routine in a very with more enthusiasm, and just try to give your 100%, because that's how it is, and you will definitely enjoy it. All right. So yes, I can see everyone is having water. You can chill, relax, and breathe in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in and out. Relax, calm. And I'm going to play the fun session. Dance it out and show me some good moves of your own. Okay, create your own good moves. That is what the fun session is all about. It's not only about having fun. It's about the improvisation. It's about how do you make a step, how do you make a choreography. All right. So I'm going to play the music. Start. 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. Go. Roll, twist. Okay, show me your cool moves. Yes.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग
Start.
जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस ते हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा
1, 2, 3, and 4. Go.
ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना
Go right, left, right, left. Jazz hands, punch hands, point hands, show. Jazz, punch hands, point hands, blade hands, turn.
चैन न
Stop.
जाने
Turn.
दर्द न
Stop.
जाने
Turn.
दिल तो बस
Stop.
दिल
Turn.
को पहचाने
Stop. Head rotation.
मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग
Release
मेरा
down.
हवा में होके मलंग
Side.
छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा
Right and left. Head rotation. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go.
छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना
Roll.
छुड़ाई घर बार
Up. Roll and up. Go. Roll and up. Roll and up. Go.
पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा
Alright, so stop. This was a fun session and I hope you all are feeling relaxed, calm and cool. So I hope you all have enjoyed it, and I had a wonderful session, wonderful class with you all. Always remember one thing, that as soon as we finish with the class, you need to revise everything, including the warm-up, the routine and the fun session, because this is how you will start remembering the choreographies. And it is very important, okay? It is good to have fun, but the learning is also important. It's good, we all are having fun while dancing, we are relaxed, chilled out, we are having a very good environment, right? We are having a very light environment, but that doesn't mean that you should not remember the choreography. Keep in mind, this is a very good thing that you are having a very light environment, but you need to take a good usage, you need to take it as a plus point, and you should utilize it rather than taking it casually. Okay, so do it with lot more happiness, and learn, because it will be very beneficial for you, and never stop smiling. I just love the way you all perform, and it is a very good thing that you are day by day becoming a better person, a better performer, and that is a very good thing. Keep on enhancing your skills, keep on polishing it, keep on changing yourself in a good way, in a good direction, so that you become a good person. And I wish you all the best and a very good luck for the next class. Have lots of water, have good food, stay hydrated, and I know you will definitely rock, because you have never disappointed me, and I wish that you will never disappoint me in the future. Alright, so have water and chill, relax. I had a great session. See you all in the next session. Bye-bye.